Pakinggan natin si Leni Robredo.
I filed so many bills on transparency, accountability of public officials, empowerment of the people. Hanggang ngayon, simpleng-simple. Even when I'm vice presidential candidate already, I still take the bus. In fact, I'm taking the bus on Wednesday with my children. It's something we have to insist on. Even if there are available perks already. I saw how my husband resisted all this. Yung parati niyang sinasabi nun, wag tayo dyan. Kasi pag nagustuhan natin, hahanap-hanapin natin. And I keep that in mind every day of my life. Ano naman to, I don't see myself as a paragon of virtue. I don't think anyone is. Pero yung consciousness lang, that we're as vulnerable as anyone else. We're as human as anyone else. So every day we pray that we get unaffected by all these things. Marami pa ding halimbawa, when I visit a place, gusto kang entertain ng mayor, meron kang police escort, sometimes nagwawangwang. You just have to call their attention all the time and remind them that this is not how things should be. So yun yung mga struggles. My children were even asking me, Mama, pag nanalo ka ba, pwede pa tayong mag-bus? So ang sabi ko naman, bakit naman hindi? Tayo naman yung magdidikta kung anong gusto natin gawin. And I think that's a challenge for us, public officials, to insist on things we feel so strongly about. Para ano lang, para to keep ourselves grounded. Kasi once we lose ourselves in all this, parang that's not the purpose why we're here in the first place. So that's a daily struggle. Hindi ko sasabihin sa inyong hindi ako magbabago. Pero sasabihin ko lang, if you can all pray with me, na sana hindi ako magbago. It's actually a daily struggle. Pero I'm just so happy that, sabi ko nga, I'm lucky that the reputation of my husband precedes me. Even if people don't know me yet, parang immediately very trusting na yung tao sa akin. And it's something that I have to be very, very thankful for. But the challenge there is, yung asawa ko ang tagal sa politika na hindi nayurakan yung aming pangalan. Yun naman yung aking challenge, na yung pangalan na pinangalagaan ng asawa ko, sana hindi ako yung sumira nun. Tiwala lang, sipag lang.
Tiwala lang. Leni Robredo for Vice President.